Hi everyone, welcome to a new episode of Bo's Slow English. In today's episode, my husband is going to show you around Tokyo, Japan again. This is part 2. I'm so happy and thrilled to see that you enjoyed part 1. I knew it was going to be a hit. Do you know what a hit means? In this context, it means popular. Please continue to leave lots of comments. I read all of them and I respond to all of them. I really appreciate all of your support. Before I show you part 2, please click like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. And I'm offering private tutoring where you and I speak English together to help you with your speaking and pronunciation. If you are interested, please fill out the form that is in the description. Here's part 2.
We're entering Nonbei Yokocho, which is famous for the little mini bars and izakaya. So look at how small these bars are. Pretty cool street, but very small. They serve beer, whiskey. Very intimate, very cool part of Japan. This was recommended to me. It's called Pain Maison. It's known for their fresh salt bread. And I'm gonna give this a try. Now there's a huge line, but I just tried it. Very fresh out the oven. And very tasty. Security guard kicked me out from filming. But anyway, this is where I'm going next. Bongin Coffee. Now I'm in line for coffee. Not sure what I'll order. I think I might order an Americano, which is an espresso with water. And I might order that hot because it's very chilly outside. It's about 55 degrees, very nice, sun is out. Or I might order a latte, which is an espresso with milk. And if I order a latte, debating between iced and hot, but I'll probably do hot. You could see the huge line out there.
Thank you very much. Hi,
I get it.
Just a moment, please.
Yeah, no problem.
Thank you for your tea. お待たせしました。
Could I get a oat latte
Hot milk latte.
and then
Okay.
a Americano
Americano. Thank you very much.
with the light roast, please?
Light roast. Both light roast. Okay.
Okay,
Thank you very
perfect.
much. Oat milk latte and Americano is ice or hot.
Hot.
あ
Thank
りがと
you.
うございます。お待ちいたします。ありがとうございます。こんにちは。ありがとうございます。
Just had the coffee from Bongin Home Roasted Coffee. And this is the latte, and it is excellent. One of the best lattes I've ever had. Just waited in another line for a matcha spot called Cloud Matcha. It was highly recommended. Let's give it a try. Walking up. Hello.
What can I get for you?
Let's do a hot matcha latte.
Hot matcha, regular matcha latte.
Yeah. What kind of milk do you have?
Oh, regular milk, soy, and wheat.
Oat milk, please.
Hot milk. Okay. Hot.
Okay, oat.
Perfect. Hot milk.
Hot.
Sorry, we don't have hot or milk, only ice.
Okay.
So
No problem.
You can use regular milk or soy.
Iced oat.
Ice or milk, okay. Okay, so ice regular matcha latte with oat milk.
Okay.
Please stop here when we
Sure.
This is sticker. Please feel free to give us your feedback.
Okay. Thank you very much.
I will make your match here.
Can I trash this?
Sure.
Cheers.
Thank you.
Pouring the hot water in the matcha.
Next please. Next please.
Whiskey in the matcha.
Can you change one of them to a Hojicha?
What's ice with regular milk? Okay.
すいません、変更で一つほうじ茶
Pouring the matcha in to the oat milk. Just tried the matcha latte at Cloud Club, and it's really, really good, but it's way too sweet for me. I'd recommend it, it's just not my cup of tea. Today I'll be exploring Ginza, one of the city's top shopping districts, packed with upscale boutiques and nice cocktail and sushi bars. Trying another specialty coffee roaster. This one's called X Coffee in Ginza. Can I trash? Gomi?
Okay.
They have two options to choose from, hand drip or latte, and then you choose the beans. Here are the hand drip and latte options, and then the beans list. We have El Palomar Geisha. The Monte Blanco sounds great too. La Margaritas is interesting. I will ask which one is the lightest.
Hi. Hello.
Hello.
For here or takeaway?
Takeaway.
Takeaway. Okay.
Hand drip.
100. Okay. You can choose the beans.
Which one is the lightest?
Everything right else.
Everything light.
Yes.
First time here, which one would you recommend?
Okay. What's the like flavor of fruity or unique or strong flavor?
What's unique?
Unique. Okay. Unique taste is this Aromanativo, as a Monte Blanco, as a pink champagne.
Oh.
The three kind of beans.
Uh-huh.
The Aromanativo is a champagne, is white and the pink pepper. After it, spicy taste coffee. And the Monte Blanco very unique and the strong taste. It's a coconuts, cheesecake, and the vanilla flavor taste. And the pink champagne is a strawberry shop. It's rose and pink grape flavor, a flowery and the strawberry fruity taste.
Would you prefer the
The CZLE is unique in the tropical flavor and
Yeah.
the bergamot. After the herbal taste coffee.
okay
Yeah.
hand drip or latte? Which one would you suggest?
100 be the best.
Okay,
Hi, hello.
I'm debating between the geisha and the margarita. Which one?
I see the better is a CZLE.
Okay,
Yes.
perfect.
Try this one.
Yes,
Thank you so much. Thank you. There's a 1,600 yen.
those are 600.
Prepare the
Card.
Okay, thank you so much. How did you find out about the shop?
YouTube.
YouTube?
Yeah.
Wow. Big social media.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
This is where the coffee will be dripped and then poured into my cup. The doors in Tokyo are interesting. In order to exit, you don't simply just walk out, you have to press the button. So a little bit different than the US. This coffee place is very popular, but there happens to be no line. But as this sign indicates, there's a line for ordering to my left and then a line to wait for your order to my right. So it looks like there's usually a line here, but not today. And I think here he comes with my coffee.
Iced drip coffee with a CZLE. So this is a coffee beans information card for you. Yes.
Thank you very much.
Tastes like first lime flavor,
Uh-huh.
and after the herbal notes, so clean cut.
Awesome.
Yes, I enjoy.
Arigato
Thank you very
gozaimasu.
much. Have a good day.
You too. What he was explaining is that they give you this card here that has a description of the coffee. The name is Las Margaritas. It's from Colombia. It has hints of lime, mango, and bergamot. The coffee in Japan is known to be a little bit more on the fruitier side, which is a little bit different because I know most people prefer their coffee bitter and not fruity. But let me give my coffee a try. This is a iced Americano. It's really good, really refreshing. I like the fruit flavoring, and I suppose I don't like bitter coffee. But I would highly recommend X Coffee, especially if you prefer to not wait in a long line. I am walking to one of my favorite clothing brands called Capital with the K. This is one of their locations. I believe they have 3 or 4 in Tokyo. I will try to hit all of them if possible. But another Japanese-owned brand that I really enjoy. Let me see if they'll let me film inside. Actually, no food or drink, no videography, and no photography. Didn't buy anything from that store. The selection is not that great, and a lot of the stuff that I wanted, she said, sells out in 3 days upon release. Just walked into the whiskey museum. Look at all these whiskeys. All the Japanese whiskey. It's huge. The last time I was here, I left with my favorite whiskey, which is called Hakashu. Still have not opened the bottle. But look at these amazing whiskeys and these cool whiskey bottles. They even have mini whiskeys. Everything here is on display, but you could also buy. But look at how massive this is. You got Yamazaki, all the best Japanese whiskeys that you can ask for. One thing you'll notice during this vlog is that there is literally no trash on the street. No trash built up along the curbs, no trash anywhere. But the interesting fact is that there are no trash cans to be found. No trash cans on the corners, no trash cans on the streets, no trash cans anywhere. This is due to an attack that took place in 1995. It was a gas attack that happened in their subway systems. So in 1995, they decided to remove all trash cans to avoid that from happening again. But look at how clean these streets are. The only thing you could find is this leaf. Check this out. This is called 2121 Design Site. It's a pretty cool building. Looks like they're setting up for an event tonight. I'm in the Roppongi Hills area. It's a pretty fancy area to live. And I'm right next to the Ritz-Carlton here. It looks like they're setting up some light fixtures. But This is the place I wanted to visit. I'm in the gallery showing of Issei Miyake's works. Very experimental. Didn't know he did lamps. Really cool. Bo would love it here because of all the deciduous trees. Look at how they're all changing color for the season. Very cool, very beautiful. So while at 2121 Design Site, I decided to get a quick snack. This is white rice, some baked potatoes, a cabbage salad, and then some avocado and cucumber. It also comes with a side of miso onion soup, and I just got a water. Oh, wow. It's mineral water, so it's bubbling. But this will be a quick lunch stop just to keep me going and keep me going until it's dinner time.